And that time, Deposoy could not get a good handle on the ball. 2018, Ateneo now up by 2. Timeout, Nene Ibanez.
Hindi pa yung malayo para ano bitawan natin?
Nawalan tayo. Wala natin ang first touch. Wala tayong katake. Hindi natin yan. Tayo hinabol. Ha? Ganyan na po. Focus tayo sa receive. Pag-stop tayo natin.
Maret, mahina lang.
Sa receive natin yung ano. Para mag-game natin.
Ganun pala play.
Focus ha, focus.
Hindi tayo magulat.
Ha? Isa-isa lang. Isa-isa lang. Patayin natin ito. Dalawa lang yan. Hey! Navy! Lead Mariti!
Actually, on the bench nitong Philippine Navy, you saw Ate Mikmik.
Oo, injured.
Injured.
Si Ate Mikmik
Nakasling.
mukhang may hinabol na bola nung tournament nila sa Cagayan. At fractured her elbow.
So she will miss the entire second conference. And that's a big loss for Philippine Navy. Nawala na nga sa kanila si Sue Roses.
Nasanay kasi si Mikmik sa sand eh.
Oh, my.
Nung naglaro inter, kala nasa sand pa rin,
Yes,
hinabol yung bola.
Great attack there.
Dolphin dive eh.
Oh.
Itukot
At saka
yung
hindi lahat ng sahig
elbow.
may gantong surface. Ano ba tawag surface na ito? Iba kahoy pa rin eh. Ito, ano ba to?
Yung ano ba, sa badminton, we also
Taraflex
use it,
pa.
Taraflex.
Oh, Taraflex. Kainglet forced to attack from behind the
Swerte
line.
nga sila, no, kami rin eh, ganun lang eh, wood. Diba? Normally wooden court.
Minsan nga, hindi wood eh.
Cement.
Doon delikado. Ferrer, one-handed set to Meta Jima.
And the Jimmer just responding, taking that point.
Ganyan ka ba naman kahaba eh?
Alam mo, kahit hindi malakas yung palo mo, yung angle by which the ball is coming
Right.
from kasi, very sharp na eh.
And Ferrer understands the strengths of Tajima's game. Ateneo by 2.
Oh, Mayi trying to
Yeah.
ask for a check
No,
and
she
she
wins
gets
it.
it.
She wins her appeal.
Wala naman na nagre-reklamo on the side of Ateneo. Mukhang check ball. Si Mayi pa, napaka-smart maglaro niya.
Hindi, pero si Tajima naman yung kalaban, so may case.
Ayan,
If it was
masyado kang
somebody-
malaki.
If it was somebody smaller, medyo tagilid. Here's Laborte now, setting up Suson. And Hervasio. Nobody there. Rochina was out of position. She's apologizing. Laborte gets it around. And a push by Suson. Long rally. Hervasio under the ball. Natira pa rin niya yun.
Konting twist ni Hervasio
Right.
just to get to the ball.
And Kainglet still cannot score. Ateneo girls are getting frustrated right now. Great block by Tajima and Hervasio.
And Galito,
Kanina pa
timing
bagsak
the
ng bagsak yan.
defense.
Oh.
Nauna yung baksak dun sa reception. But I mean, credit the defense of the Philippine Navy. Ang daming atake doon ng Ateneo. But
Right.
still, yung na itataas pa rin nila yung bola.
Pagbagsak niya, biglang iba yung pinuntahan ng bola. So Ateneo 3 points away from taking a 2-0 lead. May Tajima, Galido, Rochina, Hervasio, Ferrer, Kainglet, Laporte gets to it, and Suson cannot get
not
across.
enough power to send that across. Sayang, pero Laborde ang bilis
Right.
on the second ball.
Hindi po si Mikmik yan, si Cheryl yan. Yung mas
Kahit
maliit
kamukhang
na.
kamukha niya.
Oo. At makita mo yung kuya nila nagbabasketball, si Jan. At eto ngayon ang atake ni Suson. Hervasio, Kainglet, hinulog ni Phil.
Just too much space behind the blockers of the Philippine Navy.
And 4 set points for Ateneo. Meita Jima trying to put it away on her serve. Here is the setup by Carpio. Deposoy. Hervasio. Kainglet. Kainglet again. Carpio. Back set. Deposoy. Ateneo. That's 4 touches.
yes.
Great count by our first
Right.
referee. Great count.
Correct. Correct call.
So 24-21. Dikit pa rin itong ating laban. But now the Philippine Navy has to fend off 3 set points of Ateneo. Prochina, Lazaro, Ferrer, Cainglet.
Oh.
They only needed that one more. So Phil Cainglet gives Ateneo a 25-21 second set victory. They now have a 2-0 lead against the Philippine Navy. Let's take a look at our shaky shake and play. In the first set, Eliza Valdez put it away. In the second set, Phil Cainglet able to get it done for Ateneo. And they go into set number 3, leading 2-0.